Everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Generation The Legacy from the 19th to the 23rd of January 2026 on Monday. Mpho tried to explain himself out of a sticky situation. Nonhle interviews parents of the kids who went missing. When Kamoshelo ups the pressure on Swazi to leave, she shows her true colors. Ntando spend money on his mother and breaks down when she questions him on Tuesday. Mpho is haunted by something he is unsure of, and Donald gives him bad news around the Lobola negotiations. Swazi comes to a decision. Zondiwe and Nogwa's scheme behind Ayanda and Dalsberg on Wednesday. G-Wagon makes an unexpected discovery when he confronts the chief who took his phone. Swazi goes out of her way to impress Jack while she and Bra Nimrod set their plan in action. Meloguhle is upset when Donald excludes her from negotiations, so she orders everyone else around on Thursday. Jack's G-Wagon's warning come true. Bra Nimrod presents Kumo and Moache with evidence. Donald hijacked Lobola negotiations. Zondiwe tried to make Ayanda jealous of Tao on Friday. Jack would rather the cause of his illness be physical than spiritual. The Moroccans decide to pay up to make their problems go away. Kia continues to pick at Azania's narrative about her marriage. Mpho's experiencing increasingly strange physical episode and is hit with a terrifying vision. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment and share your opinion. Bye.